In this video, you will learn how you can create a business website using AI machine under 30 seconds. And the beautiful thing about this is that you don't need to do anything on your part. All you have to do is to tell the AI the type of website you want to do. And it's going to generate your website for you under 30 seconds. So in this video, I'll also show you how you can customize your website pretty fast with using just your smartphone and everything you need to know about the website. I'm going to tell you in this video. So ensure you watch the video to the very end, subscribe, and let us get right into the video. This is the site we are going to use to build a website in 13 seconds using AI. So with this website, you can be able to create your own business website or any website you want to create. And this is going to generate your entire website for you with images and copies under 30 seconds. So I will show you everything on how you can use this particular site to create your own website. And we're going to do it for free. You guys will do it for free. I'll show you everything from step to step. So to get started, all you have to do is to come and click on this particular create your account. So when you click on create your website, when you click on create your website, it will come here and tell you that okay, you should build a website in 30 seconds. So at first, you may get a notification to tell you that should they have access to your location, so you can enable them to get access to your location. So with this, they're able to give you a more concise website. So now you're here, all you have to do is also come here and click on get started. So click on get started. When you click on get started, you'll be buzzed here straight here. Now the next thing is what type of business are you doing? So let's say for example, I am into accounting. Let's assume I'm using accounting, then I'm going to click on next. So when I click on next, what's the name of your business? So let me call it account. Okay, let me just call it account like this. Okay, let's call this I don't know this name, account ant. All right, so I'll click on next. So this is going to generate a website for me under 30 seconds. You can see generating. I don't necessarily need to do anything. It is doing things by itself. Now you can see it is doing everything. It's creating reviews for me, doing beautiful things for me. And let's see, it's adding some services. Wow, and it's generating beautiful ego. All these have been done without me doing anything. All I have to do is just to put those two information and this keep rolling. So after that, you can actually edit it. If you're not satisfied with anything, edit it to your own taste. You can upload a logo and do anything you want to do. So you can see your website is ready under how many seconds? Just few seconds. So let me click on see it. So this is my website. As you can see here, it looks pretty cool, but we're going to edit it, customize it to suit what you desire. So this is how it looks like. You can see this, you can see this, you can see this. I didn't actually test anything, I didn't put anything, and this went well for me. So all I have to do to customize it to suit myself is to come up here and click on this. I'm going to click on this customize. So when I click on this customize, and if I'm not okay, guys, if I'm not okay with this particular site that I have generated for me, all I have to do is to come back to this icon here and click on it again. So let's click on it again. It's going to regenerate another one for me, you generate another site for me. So this is cool, guys. So if you generate one particular website, I don't really like it, I don't like the copies that is there, I'll click on that icon and it will generate another site for me, another site that I think is okay. So if it generates another site I don't even like, I can also end up customizing it to suit my need. And all this I'm doing with just a simple click. I'm not doing anything. So let's say this website that generated for me. So you are generating this one for me again. Expert this. So it actually change all the copies, change the copy. It has even given me a review and this and that. So let me customize it to suit your own. So just come here and click on customize. So I'll click on customize. When I click on customize, you need to sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up. So I'll sign up into an account to just show you how things goes. So yeah, I'm going to choose one of my accounts here, just to give you a hint of how you can actually customize it in case to customize it to your own taste. So here I'm customizing it, and let's see, it's actually rolling. Let's give it a few seconds to finish rolling. So guys, now it's going to open the site for me. Now this is the tab where you can customize. So when you look up here, these are some menu tabs you can do. Now to customize any part, let's for example I want to customize this part I'm seeing here, all I have to do is just to click on it. So let's say I want to customize this ego part first. This particular ego section, the header rather, I'll click on it and it's going to come up like this. So you can see edit website header. I click on edit website header, so I can change anything. If I want to change the logo, I'm going to put click on logo, then upload the logo I want to do here. So if I want to change the style, like I want the logo to be the left or right, I'll do that. Now if there's some special website I want to do, like for example this is my Facebook, I edit it, and instead of it just putting facebook.com, I just go to my Facebook, copy my Facebook URL and put it, let's say /moneybiz, for example. That's where I want people to click. When people click on on my website, on my Facebook to go to. So you click on the right tab and click on save. So you can do every other things for all the, even Instagram, you do that. Then this call us. Now this particular call us here, I'm going to put in my phone number. So you put in your phone number. If you wanted to call, so when I click on it, automatically call comes straight to your number. So I'm going to put my number or put any number you want here. So this is how you can actually edit it. You can edit it and you can just click on open link in a new tab. So that when I click on call us, it opens in a new tab and that automatically that's going to be your own site. Then use this background. I'm going to change this background because I actually like it to be blue. Let me make my own to be blue. So I'm just going to copy this particular hashtag so I can have a uniform blue anytime I need it. So I click on copy. Then I'm going to click on save. So when I click on save, you can see that the header is going to change. That's changed to blue. So if I want to edit this particular icon, this particular hero section too, just click on it. When you click on this, you can see this. They all come here. If you want to edit anything here, you just come here and click on this particular icon pencil. Now, if you want to regenerate another one, maybe you want to generate another text, you click on this particular generate and it automatically generate another one. So I want to edit it. I click on this edit. And you can see all this. So anything I want to change, I just click on it. And if I'm not okay with what it will go there, I'll just come here and click on this generate. So this AI is going to generate another heading for me. You can see it's going to generate another heading for me. So this is the sub-heading. You can change your own, or if you want the AI to do that for you, you just come here and click on generate again. So here we have the contact button. So when I click on contact button, if you want it to go to somewhere else, you put that. So if you want it to go straight to your phone, like phone, I click on contact us as phone. Then I change it to my phone number. Then I click on open on a new tab, stuff like that. If you want to change the background color, background image. So I'm going to click on image like. Click on image, then I can actually click on upload image. Now I can choose image from on screen, which is actually free. So let me just say I want to choose this one. I choose this particular one here. Or if you have any other image to choose, you can just choose that. So let me say I want to choose this one, and I'm going to click on insert. So this go to the insert. It's going to change. Then when I'm done, let's say the overlay is black. Let me use it as black. Then I'm going to click on save. So when I click on save, you see that the magic has happened here. Bah, it's cool, right? Alright, this is actually cool. Now you can see this contact. When I click on contact, it's necessarily go to my phone number. You can call me, or you can probably put the contact and put it to email or anything you want to do. Now these are some of the things that's done. If you want to change this to, just click on it and change. So that is usually work. Just click and click on and change. So guys, that is how it is. So anything you want to change, just click and change. Like this more info, anything. When I click on it, I can be able to just edit because all these are together. You can even add session. Then I can just click on this icon here to edit it. Do everything I want to do. Like for example, I want to change the background. I don't really like the background, so let me change this background to something like let's see. Okay, let me see. Let me just use this one and click on save. So it's going to change the background for me. You can see that particular background has changed. So if you want to change this particular background to do the same thing, just click on it and it's going to change. So let me leave it the way it is. I think I like the way it is going. So let's say I want to change this one too. I click on this particular icon and now this is what is coming up for me. I can decide to hide anything I want to hide. These are the icon that came out. You can edit anything you want to edit. No, not because this is actually an accounting site. That's why you have all this. So it depends on the type of business you select. So you have two different things. So this is cool, right? This is done for me using just my phone, and it is cool because I didn't do anything. Everything was done for me with the AI machine. So I'll click on save and just to change the background. See, I've changed the background and this is cool. Just depending on how you want it to be. Now you can meet our team. Just if you want to change anything, just do that and change. So guys, this is how you can do what you want to do. So guys, let's say for example you want to add more page. Just come up here. You see this plus icon here. You click on the plus icon and you can add more page. So let's say for example I want to add about page. Then it's going to do this. Then you are going to I'm going to enable the header. Then come down here for description. I'll click on this machine to generate. So it's going to generate for me. Just going to generate. Okay, and that being done, you can just click on save and it's going to be saved, or you click on image or so like that. Then I'm going to click on save. So now I click on save, that's going to be saved for me. And now I have an about us page. And so this is the about us page. See, nothing is actually, it's just the about us. Then I can click on add section to the about us page. So let's say for example I want to add let's say I want to add in the about us page, let's say I want to add image and text. I click on image and text and this is going to generate an image and text for about us page, and let's see what is going to come out for us. So this is being done by the AI, not by me. You can see it's actually generating, and it has come out for me. You can see accountant, your accounting solution, this, that, contact us. It just generated my account, my about us page. So if you want to add more to it, you can just click on add section. You can add more to it. So let's say, for example, I want to edit that, like this contact us here, this particular okay, this content, I can regenerate another one or leave it the way it is. Then let's come to this image. You can change the image if you want to change the image. Now this button, this contact us, I want it to go straight to my phone number, or if you want to put email, so you click on external and you click on phone, then you can put in your phone number. So I'm going to put in my phone number here. As you can see, guys, this is super cool, and as in the AI is just doing everything for me, guys. So then this is the background. If I'm okay with it, I'm just going to click on save, and that is going to get saved, as in the about to go to get saved. So you want to go to other one. Let's say you want to go back to home. You click on this about here. You can see home. I click on home, and the home is going to open for me. So if you want to change anything, that's how you can change anything. Now, if you want to change the button color, you can see the button color is like this. I want all the button color to have a specific and the same color, not this kind of this is not even blue. Okay, green, kind of green. So just come up here and click on this icon here. Click on this GI icon. When you click on this GI icon, it's going to come up for you. You can see the button here. So just come and click on this background for the button. So let me say I want the button to be, let's say, kind of yellow, for example. If you want it to be yellow, okay, not yellow, like kind of orange. Then it depends on what you want to do. If you want to change the font, you can change the font here, no guys. So anything you want to do, you can just do that. Then you click on save. So you click on save, all the button is going to change. You can see all the button has successfully changed. This is how you can do it and create your site. So now you have successfully created your site. If you want to give it to other people, now all you have to do is to come here and click on this icon here. You can see this icon. When I click on this icon, I'm going to view it. Now this is a temporary link to view your website. A new link will be generated every 24 hours. So now this website is going to, can give it to people to check, but a new link will be generated after 24 hours. So this means that if you want to have a permanent website, you might need to upgrade. Now with this free one, it's going to be generated for you for every 24 hours. So all I have to do is I can go to my website. You can see this website is going to become live. So I can just give people this my website link, and they can be seeing my website, which is created for me using just API. But if you want it to be permanent, you might need to upgrade. So when I come up here again and just come here and locate upgrade plan. So when you click on upgrade plan, you can see I'm not actually doing anything for these guys, just showing you how things has been done. So you might need to pick a plan if you want to. Now if you pick this this starter plan, which is $12 every month, you are going to get this a custom domain, all these features. You're going to get it, all these features. But if you don't want to, well, that's good. You can just use that just to show things, how things goes well. So now you can actually click on monthly. Now that I'm done with this, I can click. If you want to pay, you click to this to pay if you want to. But I'm not going to pay, guys. I'm not going to pay. I'm just showing you how you can actually use your AI machine to generate your website. So this is what's going to come out for me, and I'm not going to pay, guys. So I'm going to click on back. And when I click on back, it's going to give me a grace of 30 days. Yeah, 30 days. Like kind of free trials for 30 days. You can see that's pop up here, 30 days left. I didn't make any money though, so 30 days left. This shows that I can actually use my site for the next 30 days. So these are my site is going to be. I can show me create my own website. So guys, if you like this video, click on the red button, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. So I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you.